Merry Christmas! I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. Today I am super excited because this CapCut journey, we are getting closer to the end of it, and today is day 25. I'm happy that we are on this journey together. So if you're on this journey together with me, let me know in the comment section. As you can see on the screen, we are going to create a text review effect. So without wasting much of our time, let's get right into my phone. One important point to take note is that I also create video based on the request of my viewers or subscribers. So if you want me to create a video on any topics that are related to my niche, put it in the comment section what you want me to create, and then I will definitely make video for you. So as usual, we are going to new project. So now we are in my CapCut, and then we click on new project. We are going to bring in the video that we are going to use for our text effect. So in this situation, I already have my video. So let me go and look for it. So this is the video that we are going to use for this effect. So in this video, you can see the way I work in. So I'm going to trim this. I'm going to trim this video. Okay. So let me see from where. I will just trim from somewhere here. I tap on it. I delete this first part. Then I walk until I walk out of its place. So I'm going to delete here as well. Okay, so now we have already deleted, we have our video already. So what we are going to do next is we are going to write text. So I'm going to write my text, which is going to be Merry Christmas, because it's Christmas period. So this is going to be the text I want to review. So I can add whatever that I want to add to it. Okay, so I'm going to make it simple because it's Christmas is red, so I'm going to leave it like this. I can change the font. Let me see, beautiful font, big font. Yeah, so this one is big font, so it's better like this. And what I'm going to do is I will come back and click on this check mark here. So now after you have written your text, what you're going to do, you're going to export this text. So you export it. So once you have exported it, you now go back and open a new project. And now what you're going to do, now come to new project again, and you're going to bring in the two videos. You bring in this one and this one, the one with text and the one without text. You bring the two together. So once you bring the two together, you tap on the second one here. You tap on it and go and look for overlay to bring it down. So you scroll to overlay. So you bring it down. You make sure they are equal. Make sure you make sure that they are very, very equal. Okay, make sure the two is equal. Okay, so you can see. Make sure that this white line is at the end of the two. Nothing is showing. So you tap on this overlay. So once you tap on that overlay, you are going to look for marks. The overlay that does not have text. So you look for marks. So you see, you go and look for marks down again here. So you can see our marks as usual. Then you choose this horizontal. So once you choose this horizontal, you will tap on that horizontal to take the rotation to 90 degree for easy access. So you click on 90 degree and go and look for 90 degree. Make sure it is 90 degree because it will help you to measure it very well. That's why we are using that 90 degree. So once you are in 90 degree, what you are going to do is you take this yellow line, you take it back, you take it away like this. You take it very back. Okay, so after you have taken the yellow line back, the next thing that you are going to do is you are going to tap on this keyframe. So if you have not watched my video on keyframe, go and watch it because it will help you the basic. Then you can be able to know how to use it with ease. Then you tap on this keyframe. You can see immediately you tap on that keyframe, it brings this orange it brings this diamond for us. Okay, so what you are going to do is you are going to move your video a bit. You move it. So once I see myself, I want to move after the make sure you make sure you be always in the front of that yellow line. Okay, once I'm in the front of that yellow line, I want to be in the front. Okay, you can see. Then I will move this keyframe to follow me little by little. So I'll move it again. Then the keyframe must follow me. It must always be at my back. So that keyframe must be small. Make sure the yellow line is always touching your back, always touching the back. Always touching the back. The keyframe must always be touching your back, no matter how. Make sure it's touching your back. Make sure the keyframe is touching your back very well. It's touching your back. And don't move too fast. Be doing it little by little. Okay, don't move too fast. Be doing it little by little. Okay, so make sure the keyframe is always touching your back. Don't move too fast. Little by little. Make sure it's always touching your back. It's very important because it will help you not to have to move faster than the text. I'm moving the video again. So until I will move out of it, I will move the keyframe. Make sure I move the keyframe also to follow, to finish with it. So that is how to do it. So now what we are now going to do, you are going to click on this check mark here. You tap on it. Then let's go and play it and see how it look like, if it is what we want. So you go back and now play. Merry Christmas, Merry. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. So this is Merry Christmas text revealing. So you can see how super easy it is to do. So it's not too difficult to do at all. So now we have come to the end of day 25 CapCut editing tutorial. So if you are enjoying this, the subscribe button is very important. Hit on the subscribe button down below. You can see it. Hit it on your notification bell, so that in case I drop any new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And don't forget that this series is 30 days and then we are already in 25. You can see we are going. So don't forget to follow me up on all my videos, and then let's eat the monetization together. And in case you want to help, you need help in growing your channel, your girl is here. Contact me on my IG. Okay, then we can be able to exchange numbers, then we can talk. I can be able to tell you what we need to do. So with that, my name is Ganny and this is Grow With Ganny, and thank you for watching. I will see you in day 26. Bye.